What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Rahim. We are back again with another great, amazing tech video. The video today is all about the JBL Flip 6. As some of you guys know, this is a brand new speaker from JBL and it's a Flip series, and it's announced in December this year, 2021. And something which is so great about this kind of speaker, it's its own kind of sound and its own kind of new redesign throughout the layout. To be honest, you're gonna love this kind of speaker, and it's a really kind of spontaneous throughout the sound. So enough of me talking, let's get started. So guys, here we have it. This is a JBL Flip 6. We're gonna just unbox it and see what's packed inside. And what's so good about it, it's all about the new features throughout the JBL Flip 6. So as some of you guys know, the JBL Flip 5 was a really kind of great, amazing speaker, but this one, it's a little bit got some new redesign throughout the layout. Now, right now, as you can see, we are unpacking the JBL, the most spontaneous speaker, you can call it, which it's really kind of dope. So you can see there are buttons here right now on top, and you can see there's a Flip 6 logo here at the back. There's a Bluetooth button which you can press it, and there's a power button, and there's an indicator which lights up. If I just turn it on, it will just light up here to indicate you that it's connecting. And another kind of stuff, there's a USB type C alongside here, which is really kind of awesome. Somewhere here downside you can see the speakers, which if I try playing any music, it's gonna be bumping, boom 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 and stuff like that, which is really good. So this is the JBL Flip 6, and we're gonna see what's packed in the box, because I didn't talk about what's packed in the box. So right now we're gonna see what's happening in the box inside, what's inside the box. What we get is a USB type C, which is really cool. Another kind of stuff which we get, it's some paperwork. As you can see, some quick start guide throughout the Flip 6, which is really kind of awesome. Something else, what do we get inside? There's nothing else left, it's just what you get, the paperwork plus the USB type C cable. So there's no like a power supply to connect it on your kind of speaker, but there's only a power cable for USB type C. So right now guys, we're gonna just test the sound of the JBL Flip 6 and see what's happening, because I'm so pumped, and I know some of you guys are so pumped and thrilled. So right now we're gonna just pair it and see what's happening. First thing first, and we're gonna just turn it on and select the Bluetooth side here and hold it and hear the sound of Bluetooth, so as we can just start pairing on my device here. Right now we're gonna just test out the sound. Something dope, man. That's something dope. As you can hear, that sound is really kind of great. And to be honest, the JBL Flip 6, they have improved throughout their design, which is something which is so good about it, because I'm really thrilled throughout their new design. Right now you can see guys how much the sound it picks. It's really kind of awesome. Now you can ask yourself, how many watts does it have? Right? That's a good question. Well, it's having almostly 20 watts, I can say. Throughout this kind of speaker, it's having 20 watts, because it has a tweeter inside and it has its own kind of speaker, which speakers and tweeter, both of them have 10 watts, which is really cool. So throughout this kind of speaker has a great and amazing kind of sound, and it's really kind of awesome. Not only that, throughout the battery life, throughout this kind of speaker has a 12 hours of battery life. Now 12 hours, it's really cool throughout the JBL Flip 6. Yo, that's what's up about the video today. It's all about the JBL Flip 6. I hope some of you guys got the info ASAP of this kind of speaker. It's a really kind of great and amazing speaker from JBL, and I really appreciate the JBL work throughout the Flip series, and they're really kind of awesome. That's what it is. I'm signing out right now. You're new here, consider subscribing to homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, if you're new to the channel, make sure that you're subscribed, and last but not least, turn on the bell notification, and I'll be catching you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace.